G'day everyone, let's have a look at the new PicoMiniCUBE enclosure from PicoKit.com. So this is a nice little project that you can do on your holidays or at school, and it's a 3x3x3 LED matrix, as you can see, in a nice enclosure. It just looks absolutely superb. So let's go through how to construct it. Get straight to it. So first of all, here are the components. We have the PCB over here. So there's 4 of the plastic sides and 4 of the black sides, and each of those has a small nut to be able to hold in the 8 bolts. So in the other components, we have the base is this one with the part for the switch. We have the layer that goes just underneath the LEDs. You'll see that it's got the base and it's got the bit underneath the LEDs, and then we have the clear top as well. So all of those plastic parts. Now, just to mention, 4 clear and the 4 black sides. With this nut, if any of them come out like that in the when you receive it, then it's just a small matter of lining those back up and just pushing that in. See, just like that, goes in nice and easy. So they're all pre-tested basically to make sure that they fit all the right size nut. So in here we'll have a look. We've got 4 transistors, we've got an IC socket, we've got our IC integrated circuit is a PIC16F1503 pre-programmed to work in this pattern. You could of course do coding yourself using a PicoFlow USB programmer. Because it has a little programming socket. It also has an extra switch. The battery box has a switch as well. It has the 8 of the bolts. I think they're 10 or 12 millimeter bolts, not sure though. We've got 8 100 ohm resistors, are the brown, black, brown, gold. And then we have the 330 ohm resistors, are the orange, orange, brown, gold. And we have one lonely 1 meg resistor, which is a brown, black, green, gold resistor. So we also, not to mention, we have the LEDs, and in a 3x3x3 LED matrix you'll have 27 LEDs. Oh, also there's a little monolithic capacitor, 105. Make sure you have that one.